Good morning. Welcome to special meeting of the Board of Education. I would like to call us to order here at 7:30. I would take a motion to adopt the agenda.
So moved.
Okay.
Second.
Motion by Bree, seconded by Jason to adopt the agenda. All in favor?
Aye.
5-0. Okay. First up here, we have accept a donation for the track fund project. We have a $500 donation from Maxine. Do you know that?
She was Maxine Wilson.
Okay, was Maxine Wilson, Maxine Garouge, class of 1967, for the track renovation. I would take a motion. Okay. Motion by Nate.
I'll second.
Seconded by Jason, that USD 298 Board of Education accept a $500 donation from Maxine, class of 1967, check number 123 for the USD 298 track renovation project. All in favor?
Aye.
5-0. Thank you for your generous donation to our track. Sorry about your name. Next, we will need a motion to go into executive session for 10 minutes with the superintendent.
I so move.
Okay.
I'll second.
Motion by Jason, seconded by Bree, that USD 298 Board of Education go into executive session at 7:32 for 10 minutes with the superintendent for the purpose of discussing personnel matters for non-elected personnel, and that the Board of Education return to open meeting at 7:42 in the Board of Education conference room. The executive session is required to protect the privacy interests of identifiable individuals. All in favor?
Aye.
5-0.